shining in the brilliant night sky is a magical, glorious polar star. That's him, my son, Prince Duruvan. He turned into a brilliant polar star. He stopped my queen. Let the story be told in proper order. Yes, son. Have no right to sit near the king. And that was how it all started. You have no place here. Get out! Get out! Get out!
I'm sorry, oh my dear great queen. I love my father. I'm sorry.
I can't interfere in these quarrels. Please make peace. Behave like royalty. You and your son. Get out! Get out! Get out!
For years you have ill-treated and bullied us. We can't bear this anymore. There's no hope for my son here.
Queen Sunuti, fearing that Queen Suri would plan to kill her son, left him to meditate in the forest. All-powerful Vishnu, you blessed my son and turned him into a polar star.
The darkest story created the brightest star. We can play together now. I will look at you and you can shine on me, my brother.
So the rejected prince looked down with love at all those below, blessing them.
Can I be your son from now on? My mother is completely mad.
You too. I did all this for you, so that you can become king. It's time we stop this. By royal decree, Queen Suruji and Queen Sunuti will be best friends from now on, or they will be sent away to meditate in the forest. This is why wise men say that one wife is trouble enough. But